clicking sound of a Raleigh bike. Okay, I've opened up these pedals, given it a polish on the wire brush to clean them up a little. But I'm missing the reflectors, and you know, this bike is being put together with bits and pieces of old bikes from the Raleigh. I might look for a new reflector, but at the moment what I'm doing is I'm just tapping these pieces of tin in here that are white. I'm designing the mud guards to be a white with the green, so it's a little different because it was a bike that was too damaged to do anything with. And so I'm putting these white in to match the mud guards a little, so we have a little bit of white in here. So I've basically taken a bit of tin that's from an old microwave or something like that, and I'm putting them in, just scissor cutting them in behind this and fitting them in the back of these pedals so that the pedals look part of the bike. I don't really want to put the reflectors back in. I'd rather just buy, if I find some, buy them. You know, these are a little worn and it's not worth doing overkill and trying to find reflectors and fitting them in at the moment. It's a little compromise, but I think it looks pretty nice. Most I won't be riding the bike at night anyways. Turning out very nice, the bike with the dark green here, so you know, we're getting there. It's going to be a beautiful bike when it's done. So I put in the two pedals here, the white, and now all I got to do is press these clamps a little bit over, because you know, you can see the little bit of bend marks in them here. So I just press these clamps marks over and I'll have fairly good looking pedals for the bike. And I squeeze them in the vise a little to get them together. Squishing it with the vise closes these gaps on top on the rubber to make it look better. I had like a larger gap there, now it's closing up slowly. It might not be perfect. I'll turn this up a little so you can see what I'm doing there. Now what I want to do is get these tabs to come back out. Right? Using a bit of a toy hammer here, I shouldn't be. Yeah, put it up, straight up now. And we'll see if we can get this down a little. Let me get this out. There she goes. There's your tab down on that side. Let's do it on this side. The pedal doesn't come out again. Ugh. It's being stubborn, all right, but hey, you know, what do you expect? How's that look? Let's see. And then I'll do the other pedal. Pretty good. Might need a little tapping here still to straighten it out, right? Get it dead straight here, and then that line will start lining up again, but we're looking good. I pull this up a little. There we go. Maybe putting it like this and giving a little tap down here with this, my little smaller hammer might work. And, you know, can we see that? I'm sorry, there we go. Can you see that? That's pretty good. It's a little indented, but that's okay. I mean, it's an old pedal. It'll still turn. Looks pretty good. And there you go. Might clean the rubber out a little bit, but not too much. So on this pedal, as you can see, the tabs went back here, and it went very fine. It looks fine. But on this pedal, the tabs, there it goes, snapped open, right? The two tabs, and now I'm trying to bend them up and try to fix it so that the pedal stays closed with the tab. This one's bent out a bit, but I'll get it. Very annoying that the tabs broke off. Yeah, so I got it so it's wedged back in. You can see it's a little puffed here. Now if I find another pedal, I'll replace it, but at the moment, I mean, it's going to have to do. A little disappointing that they snapped off like that, they get brittle. But, you know, one worked and one didn't. But, you know, I'm going to go with this for the time being. Right?